Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's another one of those beautiful videos where I unlock some packs. We've only got 8 today though. Yeah. I've just got, let me show you if I can. Deck manager. I've just got a new deck earlier on, and it is, these were the decks by the way. I've got Mystic Typhoon, Toxic Tricks, Dark Hammer, Earth Pulse, one I made myself, Mental Might, one I made myself, Ocean's Core deck, got Plasma Claw, Plasma Shadow, Rallying Cry, this is the one I've just got, Wave Slasher. Let's have a look. So you get Red Gyarados Shiny Coin, deck boxes, it's got Greninja on it, got to leave some normal. Right, so you get a few Pokemon, Slowpoke, Slowking, Psyduck, Golduck, etc. You get, so it's Leaf and Water, this one is, Frogadier, Greninja, Froakie, Shoulder, Cloyster, and then the energies of course. Just unlocked this a minute ago from a pack I got. So yeah, anyway, that's that. So I've got quite a few decks now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 decks. I'm actually saving in a minute to get the I'll show you. Where is it? Still can't redeem on bloody iPad. I'm saving to get that one in a minute. This one just here, look. Get Zygarde in it. That's what I'm saving to get. Anyway, let's go on with opening these packs. I actually pulled a Luxray Break, a Scizor Full Art, and an Ember tonight. So let's see if we can get just as lucky opening these packs. We'll start off with a Phase Collide, because I did the opposite in real life. See which ones we get. Here we go guys, Moment of Truth. Ooh, 2. 1. Ooh, Rotom, I like him. Mothim. So not great on that one. Breakpoint's beginning to be part of my favourite set, to be honest with you. If I get a Scizor Full Art, I'll be quite happy. So we've got Shiftry. Not great, but it'll do. A couple of EXs will do. Maybe a break card, might be happy tonight. Ooh, Clefairy. Looks quite cool. I love the artwork on these cards. Another Shiftry. If this trolls me tonight, I'm not going to be happy at all. Cloyster. Ooh, Aegislash. Awesome Pokemon. I've just got him shiny this evening. Physical. And I got him the other day as well. Ooh, Arcanine shiny. Nice damage on that. Elikivaya. Let's see what we get. Hypno. Oh, we're nearly buried for all these packs already. I need to get some more this week, I think. Oh, God, guys. Trevenant. 2 more. And then we've got to sign out. Just a short video tonight. Normally I'd do loads of boosters. Oh, Frogadier. Looks shiny, yeah it is. We've got a Lilligant. Last pack, guys. Not good at all. Got nothing so far. Looks here. Got 3 shinies out of 7 packs. And that's it, guys. See, I don't always get good cards, but when I do, you know about it. Right, I'm going to play Paragon now. Because everyone's unable watching, they can't get online, which is unfortunate. Hope everyone managed to get online anyway. Right, peace out. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.